Hi, welcome to my video on proving trig identities number 7. And number 7 is the last identity I'm going to do in this unit, and it has a double concept, and I'll show you what I mean. Prove cosecant squared, prove cosecant theta over 1 plus cos theta equals 1 minus cos theta over sine cubed. So as per normal, we'll take the left side to be cosecant theta over 1 plus cos theta, and we'll take the right side to be 1 minus cos theta over sine cubed theta. And we always pick one side, but we try to pick the simpler side. But as you look at the left side, it's cosecant over 1 plus cos. This is 1 over sine, so this is a complex fraction. And here we have 1 plus cos theta over sine cubed. And notice that the left side got 1 plus cos theta, and the right side got 1 minus cos theta. So we have a dilemma on which to start first, so we have to pick one of them. But we also, before we start, notice that this is 1 minus cos theta, and this is 1 plus cos theta. So in order to get 1 minus cos theta in the numerator here, I'm going to use a little trick and multiply the left side by 1 minus cos theta on the top and the bottom. That means we're making an equivalent. So here it is. Again, by multiplying by 1 minus cos theta, it's going to be on the top. So let's keep simplifying. Let's do the left side first, and then on the next sheet or page, I'll do the right side. So when we multiply this, we get cosecant, which I could have changed cosecant to 1 over sine first, because the first rule is change tan, cos, secant, and cosecant to cos and sine. So I didn't obey that rule here. I was concentrating on the 1 minus cos theta, but here I have a change. So the next step, this is 1 minus cos theta over sine, and we'll do the FOIL on the bottom. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times positive cos theta, negative cos theta times 1, and negative cos theta times positive cos theta is, a negative cos squared theta. And keep going, so we have 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. And these cancel out, it gives us 1 minus cos squared theta and 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. And another name for 1 minus cos squared is sine squared. And we have a complex fraction. So because we have just two fractions, like cos squared over 1, we'll multiply by the reciprocal. So 1 minus cos theta over sine theta multiplied by 1 over sine squared theta, and that gives us 1 minus cos theta, make that a theta, over cos cubed theta. And we have it done, since the left side, which is this, is equal to the right side. So the left side is equal to the right side. There they are right there. It is an identity. I-D-E-N-T-I-T-Y. It is an identity. So That's one way if I do the left side first. What about if I do the right side first? So we still have to do the left side. If I do the other side first, so here we go. This is the right side. I just wanted to do both sides, which is possible. Here we go. Now we want to get 1 plus cos. So we got a 1 minus cos. So how are we going to do it? Well, I noticed that this is sine cubed. So let's take the sine cubed and break it down into sine theta times sine squared theta. And notice that the sine squared theta can be factored or changed into, I should say factored, not yet, not factored. The sine squared is 1 minus cos squared on the identities. So 1 minus cos squared, or 1 minus cos theta. This is sine theta. This can be factored because it's the difference of two squares into 1 plus cos and 1 minus cos. And hence, this minuses cancel out. They're the same factors. So I get 1 over sine theta times 1 plus. And so notice the 1 plus cos. There it is there. So break this up into 1 over sine theta times 1 over 1 plus cos. And 1 over sine is cosecant times 1 over 1 plus cos theta. And that gives us cos theta over 1 plus cos theta. Cosecant theta over 1 plus cos theta. And again, since the left side equals the right side, or the right side equals the left side, and again I did the right side, since the right side equals the left side, it is an identity. So again, this one is a little bit different. I could do either side, but both sides were problematic. But the key was if you did this side, which was easier, the sine cubed is changed to a sine squared, and the sine squared is factored into 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. And if you did this side, you had to know that you had to get 1 minus cos theta on the top. So to multiply top and bottom by 1 minus cos theta ends up to be 1 minus cos theta, or 1 minus cos, yes, 1 minus cos theta in the numerator. So that's a little identity that's different, and this ends the trig identities. And the next videos, or the next unit I will do is trig 3, which is more trig on addition formulas, half angle formulas, double angle formulas, etc. And if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.